Preservation and conservation of library resources. Introduction. Libraries are custodians of knowledge, preserving intellectual and cultural heritage for present and future generations. However, library materials, especially books, manuscripts, and digital media, are vulnerable to deterioration due to environmental, biological, and human factors. Therefore, preservation and conservation are essential activities in library management to ensure the longevity and usability of resources. While both terms are often used together, they have distinct meanings and functions within the broader field of collection management. Concept and meaning. Preservation refers to the overall policies and preventive measures taken to protect library materials from damage and deterioration. It focuses on extending the life of materials by controlling environmental conditions and handling practices. Conservation, on the other hand, refers to the specific techniques and treatments applied to repair and restore damaged materials. It involves direct intervention to maintain or return items to a usable condition. Thus, preservation is preventive, whereas conservation is corrective. Need for preservation and conservation. Library resources are constantly exposed to various threats such as humidity, temperature fluctuations, insects, dust, light, and human handling. Over time, these factors can lead to physical damage, fading, brittleness, and loss of information. Rare and historical materials are especially vulnerable and require special care. Preservation and conservation ensure that valuable resources remain accessible for research, education, and cultural continuity. Causes of deterioration. Several factors contribute to the deterioration of library materials. Environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, light, and pollution can damage paper and bindings. High humidity may lead to mold growth, while excessive light can cause fading of ink. Biological factors include insects, rodents, and microorganisms, which can destroy paper and bindings. Chemical factors such as acidic paper and ink can lead to gradual deterioration. Human factors, including improper handling, misuse, and lack of care, also contribute significantly to damage. Methods of preservation. Preservation involves a range of preventive measures aimed at protecting library materials. One important method is environmental control, which includes maintaining appropriate temperature and humidity levels. Libraries should ensure proper ventilation and avoid exposure to direct sunlight. Proper storage and shelving are also essential. Books should be stored upright, with adequate space and support to prevent damage. Good handling practices must be followed by both staff and users. For example, avoiding folding pages, writing in books, or using improper bookmarks. Regular cleaning and dusting help prevent accumulation of dirt and pests. Another important method is digitization, which involves converting physical materials into digital formats. This reduces the need for handling original items and ensures long-term access. Methods of conservation. Conservation involves direct treatment of damaged materials. One common method is repair and binding, where torn pages are mended and damaged bindings are restored. Deacidification is used to neutralize acidic content in paper, thereby extending its life. Lamination and encapsulation involve protecting documents with plastic or other materials to prevent further damage. In the case of severely damaged materials, restoration techniques may be used to reconstruct and preserve the original content. Digital preservation. With the increasing use of digital resources, libraries must also focus on digital preservation. This involves maintaining digital files, ensuring compatibility with new technologies, and protecting data from loss or corruption. Regular backups, migration of data to new formats, and use of secure storage systems are essential components of digital preservation. Role of librarians. Librarians play a crucial role in preservation and conservation. They are responsible for developing policies, implementing preventive measures, and ensuring proper handling of materials. They also educate users about the importance of preserving library resources and promote responsible usage. Merits. Preservation and conservation ensure the long-term availability of knowledge resources. They protect valuable and rare materials and support research and education. They also enhance the quality and usability of library collections. Challenges. These activities can be costly and require specialized skills and equipment. Limited budgets and lack of trained personnel may hinder effective preservation efforts. Balancing access and preservation is another challenge, as frequent use can lead to damage. Conclusion. In conclusion, preservation and conservation are essential for maintaining the integrity and longevity of library resources. While preservation focuses on preventive care, Conservation deals with the repair and restoration of damaged materials. Together, they ensure that library collections remain accessible and valuable for future generations. In the modern era, these practices extend beyond physical materials to include digital preservation, making them a vital component of library management.